Wasn't trying to make a video on this, but some people just need help putting a grill on, so might as well just do it. Let's get it. Today, we're about to put on my front grill finally came in. We about to put it on. Been like 2 months, but yeah, we about to put that on. See how it looks. All right, look at this. Everybody got this grill right here. Most people have this grill, but it's my new one right here. Not that much people with this, so I'm gonna slap this on. This just got painted. Took, you know, a long time, but still got painted. All right. All you need is a flathead for this. Easy. All you gotta do is take these right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 out, and just pull it out. Start with 1. Pop it up. 2 right here. Pop it out. Make sure you don't lose those, because you need those for the next one. Alright. And last one. Okay. Pop, see? Now, just take it off. Just like that. See the new one right there? Alright. See the difference? Big difference. Now, let's take the new one. Let's put it on there. She put it on there. Just got this painted, so I don't want to drop this. No, drop this. Alright. So when you put it on, let's get your clips. Make sure this is up like that. We put it in, find the hole, start with 1. Match up the hole. Shit, okay. Just like that. Bam. The second one, number 2. Put it in. Man, shit's so glossy. I can see myself. Let's try it. Okay, number 3. Put it in there. Last one. Number 4. And just like that. Alright. Now, let's take a look at the new one. Bam! Big difference. Move out the way. See that? Shh. Woo! Zoom in. Look at that. Way better than this one. This is okay, but everybody and their grandma got this shit. So I had to switch it up. You know? Stop being basic, man. Look at that. Uh-huh. Yeah. Look at that. Let me know what you think about my new grill. Comment below if you like the new grill or the old grill. Should I keep the new one or go back to the old one? So, give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. I got more coming.